Okay, so we have Lenovo Y520, and you want to replace the screen. Before we do that, we need to disconnect the cable. And to disconnect the cable, because it's internal, you need to remove this back panel. So you remove all the screws from here using a Phillips screwdriver. Already done that to save some time. Once you fully remove the screws, then what you're going to do, put your fingers like that and simply pry it open. Put them away, and this is your battery. So disconnect that. It's off. Flip it over. Okay, so you need to remove this bezel. Get a bit of a edge, and then you work your way around it. Okay, so that's out of the way. There are about 4 screws that you need to remove. You need to lift it up. Lift up this middle lock and then just pull it out. Be very careful you don't damage this. Once you put a new screen, put it back on and you're good to go.